The modern technical landscape is dense. Subjects like virtualization and system-level coding often feel like an endless mountain of abstract concepts and specialized syntax. Most learners watch tutorials and read documentation until the theory makes sense in their heads. This creates an illusion of competence, a feeling of mastery that only exists as long as the book is open. This bottleneck illustrates the problem. When you are suddenly asked to build a system in the real world, the brain often hits a freeze. The theoretical data is there, but it cannot pass into practical execution. Traditional education often leaves non-traditional learners behind. It prioritizes those who excel at memorizing facts, leaving everyone else to hit a wall when the work becomes hands-on. Standard technical education optimizes for recall, not capability. This leaves a paralyzing gap between understanding a concept and having the skill to use it. Virtualization Options LLC addresses this gap through a 10-part curriculum. This framework structures how information is introduced to ensure theory is never isolated from application. The curriculum takes an abstract piece of theory, the node shown here, and tethers it to a weighted base of real-world practice. By giving abstract knowledge a tangible job, the information moves from short-term recall into a larger, permanent structure in memory. This anchoring mechanism makes real-world application feel as familiar as the textbook theory, preventing the freeze response that happens when students are forced to work without a safety net. When knowledge is tied to a physical task, fragile memorization becomes a durable, actionable skill. The curriculum operates through 10 stages of cognitive iteration, visualized here as a spiral expanding from a single center point. In the earliest modules, a foundational concept is introduced at a basic level. You learn just enough to make the technology functional. Later in the program, the curriculum brings that same concept back, approaching the same core idea from different technical perspectives, adding layers of detail each time. This vertical scaffolding supports students from all backgrounds. It ensures that the increase in difficulty is gradual, rather than a sudden wall of complexity. A student might start with a manual setup in the first module, but they are prepared for advanced automation by the end because the foundational work is already embedded in their workflow. The system compounds. Basics lead to advanced territory, theory turns into practice, and each iteration builds the capability to execute. Technical mastery comes from circling back to core ideas and examining them through a progressively wider lens until the complex becomes intuitive. This 10-part loop produces practical confidence. By the final module, the student has moved past the study of theory and into reliable execution. By accommodating different learning backgrounds, this system removes the barriers that often keep people out of elite technical fields. In a high-stakes scenario, the student can execute without hesitation. They have already run these cognitive loops during their training, making the real-world task a familiar extension of their practice. You can explore the curriculum from Virtualization Options LLC to see the specific technical framework they use to build these capabilities. Technical theory is only as intimidating as the system used to teach it. With a structured architectural framework, any complex subject can be mastered.